Good morning, seventh grade. I miss you all, so hurry up and get better and come back to school. This is just a video update to talk about our group work. So I'm going to give you three options for group work. So the first option is you have been working with your group, communicating via email and shared documents, and you're working the best that you can, and your group and you are able to get stuff done. So keep doing what you're doing. That's option one. Okay? Option two is if you're really struggling to work with your peers, you or they are having trouble communicating through email, or you don't understand the shared documents or something like that, you may choose to do one of the tasks on your own. All right? So there's two tasks per group. So if you're in group history group 1, you have two tasks to choose from. You can choose to do one of those tasks on your own, and it doesn't matter if your group has already done that one or not, because you're doing it on your own and not with a group. It would be considered a separate grade. Okay? So choice 1, continue to work with your group online if that's working for you. Choice 2, pick one of your tasks and complete it on your own and submit it on your own. And if that's the way you are comfortable working right now, then go ahead and do that. And choice 3, if you're sick and you are trying to do work but you just can't concentrate, don't worry. Focus on getting yourself better. And when you come back, stay with me 10th period and I'll get you all caught up on your assignments. Okay? So choice 1 is do what you're doing, work with your group online, and continue the great work that many of you are doing. Option 2, if you're struggling to work online, that's okay. Choose one of your tasks and complete it on your own. Just let me know via email and let your group mates know via email. Okay, so we're all on the same page. So that's option 2. And option 3, if you're sick and can't work from home, or if your internet's not working, you can stay with me 10th period when you come back, and I'll get you all caught up. All right? Please, as always, don't hesitate to email, text, or call with any questions or concerns that you have, and I will try to get back to you ASAP, as soon as possible. All right? All right, keep up the good work, and I'll see you all soon, hopefully. Bye.